Cherokee 4071 Romeo, North Las Vegas.
North Las Vegas Grand Cherokee 4071 Romeo is a PA32 slant Golf. We're in the outback with like VFR departure to the west and flight following to Camarillo, Charlie Mike Alpha at 10,500. We have information Sierra.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, runway 30 left, taxi Kilo.
30 left, via Kilo, 71 Romeo. Run up checklist, nose wheel straight, throttle, back to 1,000.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, departure, initial heading 240, Nellis 135, correction, Las Vegas. Las Vegas 133905, squawk 4735.
After departure, suggest heading 240, we'll contact Las Vegas 133905, squawk 4735, 71 Romeo.
Read back correct.
133905. Alright, so run up checklist, nose wheel straight, throttle at 1,000. Brake set, seatbelts fastened, seatbelts secure, cabin doors locked and secure. Flight controls free and correct. Left. North Las Vegas Tower, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is holding short 30 left at Kilo.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, North Las Vegas Tower, standby. Cherokee 71 Romeo, wind 240 at 8 to runway 30 left, clear for takeoff, left turn approved.
30 left, cleared to take off, left turn approved, 71 Romeo. Great, so lights, camera, action, fuel pump. Alright, so gauges are green. Airspeed is 55, 60, 65, 75.
November 84 Juliet, runway 25, clear to land.
25, clear to land, 84 Juliet.
Alright. 90 knot climb. Relatively on center line. When I feel it safe, we're going to go left to 240. I see traffic.
Cherokee 71 Romeo, continue west to traffic off of your left side at 3000, entering the downwind for 25.
Insight, 71 Romeo, continue west.
71 Romeo, 240 is approved, or roll navigation, contact Las Vegas departure.
240 and contact departure, 71 Romeo, thanks.
Shoutout Tower, 84 Juliet.
Alright, 240. 3001. Las Vegas departure, Cherokee 4071 Romeo is just off North Las Vegas at 3,200 climbing. 240 heading.
November 4071 Romeo, ident Las Vegas altimeter 2984.
2984, 71 Romeo.
November 71 Romeo, radar contact a mile west of North Las Vegas Airport, cleared through Bravo airspace, flight heading 230.
Cleared to cross Bravo airspace, left 230, 71 Romeo. Cool.
Grumman 1A Golf, cleared to Bravo airspace.
230.
November 351A Golf, cleared to Bravo airspace.
So, mixture is good. Gauges are green.
UPS 891 Heavy, contact LA 124.2.
Lights are on, flaps are up, fuel pump is off, fuel tank is left main for the first hour. 95 knots, cleared to Bravo, 230. Heading mode. thing to worry about is the terrain ahead. 7,000 foot peak, 7,400. And Potosi, of course, is 8,480. Hopefully they'll let us go south of that, but we can also go north of it, north of the firefighting TFR.
November 71 Romeo, fly heading 190.
190, 71 Romeo. There's Red Rock Country Club down below us.
XO 546 Las Vegas, thank you. Expect 26 left, above 19 right on request.
Make the runway. No, not bad. Camarillo traffic, Cherokee 71 Romeo is clear, runway 26 at Charlie, taxiing to Air 7, Camarillo traffic. Alright. Romeo, holding short 26 at Alpha.
Cherokee 4071 Romeo, Camarillo Tower, right down, approved, runway 26 is cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26, cleared for takeoff, right down on approved 71 Romeo. Alright, so now lights,
Tower, banana,
camera, action, fuel pump.
Camarillo Tower, runway 26, November 7 Romeo, are you able to make a left down departure?
Affirmative, left down on departure, 71 Romeo.
Romeo, roger, left down, approved, your discretion.
Trim up and push over. Knots. Runway.